How to subscribe to Pandora Plus. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. For this, you have to go ahead and launch any browser that you prefer. If you are using iOS, go ahead and launch a Safari. Search for Pandora Premium and give it a search. You have to select the first option, that is from pandora.com, so go ahead and do that and wait for it to load. To subscribe to Pandora Premium, all you have to do is tap on Get 60 Days Free Bubble. So what will you get in this premium? You will get ad-free personalized music. You can search and play whatever you want, enjoy your favorite podcasts, unlimited skips, and unlimited offline listening. You can also make and share your playlist. Isn't it fascinating? Moving on, tap on the bubble of Get 60 Days Free. So before getting your hands on your Pandora Premium, you will have to sign in for it, which means you have to add your payment method. If you select credit card, you have to add your credit card number, your name on your credit card, expiration date, social security number, and postal code. Also select your subscription, either it is monthly or annual. Select your agree to terms and conditions and tap on Start Trial. If you have access to your PayPal, just select the PayPal option and select monthly or annual. Tick mark the box icon, then hit the next bubble. Once you do this, it will redirect you to a new page of PayPal where you have to add your credential to log in. Now, once you have successfully checked out with the payments, you will get yourself your very own Pandora Premium. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.